This ceiling fan in our living room is so high, even on a chair. Even when Ellie stands on a chair, we cannot reach it with our duster. But don't worry, guys, Dollar Tree to the rescue again. Oh, yeah. So just disconnect the broom head and put on your fan duster from Dollar Tree. You're just going to spend $1.25 on that little doohickey. Watch this, guys. I was so excited. This thing reaches the fan. It was a little shaky there. I thought I was going to take the whole fan down, but I kind of figured out a system. Honestly, standing on the chair was a little bit better. But I mean, I didn't have to stand on a chair and check out the dust it collected. Yep. Go to Dollar Tree, guys.